is a special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Defiance and Paulding. A strong thunderstorm will impact Defiance, north-central Paulding, northwestern Henry, southeastern Williams, and southwestern Fulton counties through 7:45 a.m. At 7:10 a.m., trained weather spotters reported a strong thunderstorm 7 miles east of Ixville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: penny-size hail. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: minor hail damage to vegetation is possible. Locations impacted include Defiance, Archbold, Stryker, May, Florida, Cecil, Evansport, Jewel, Ridgeville Corners, The Bend, Elmira, Bruinsburg, Okolona, and Mark Center. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The storm may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. This is NOAA Weather Radio.